I recently learned about this super useful trick in Python. Let's say you are working on an app, and in this app, settings can come from the system default, project level settings, or user-specific settings. Now, the task is simple. Whenever the app checks for settings, it should first look for the user-defined settings, then the project level settings, and if the setting is not found in either of these, it should fall back to the system default settings. At first, you might think of using a simple if-else approach to achieve this. Here, we can check for the key first in the user settings, then in the project settings, and finally in the system settings. When we run the program, it works as expected. We get the theme from the project settings. But the problem with this approach is that we have to repeat the same if-else statements again and again for each setting. So the better way is to use the ChainMap function from the collections module. With this, we simply pass our dictionaries in the order of priority. So now, if we check for the theme and language, Python will first check in the user settings, then the project settings, and finally the system defaults. And when we run the program, you can see that the theme comes from the project settings, and the language comes from the user settings.